What up? Does your jack look like this by the wheels? It's time to get them fixed. They're literally wore out. Let's see if we can't fix those today by putting those on. Let's see what we got. All right, so this is what we got. We got our new wheels from our donor jack. So now we just got to remove these old things off, what's left of them. So we're using our 19 millimeter. Put that on there and take these off. So I'm gonna use the jack handle to kind of hold up the jack so I can just drop it out. So let's get to wrenching. We'll go ahead and get this loose off camera and we'll come back on. All right, psych. I'm gonna use this power tool to do it. Why am I gonna work myself for free when I got the tools to do it without causing too much pain and turmoil? So get this on here. There we go, got that off. Now for the other side. So much simpler. All right, so now we're gonna get this thing in the air so we can drop these out. These are threaded, of course, so got to screw these out on both sides. That's where the screwdriver comes in. Bam. I'm gonna take this jack handle off right here. I'm gonna stick it up under here. Watch how fast I make that happen. Watch. All right, so let's check it out. This fell apart as soon as I lifted it up off the ground. Years of being used. That's amazing. And the bearings are gone on it, so one less thing to worry about. Now on the new one, the bearings are kind of interesting because they fell out too. So we don't know how long it's gonna last, but at the end of the day, it's got new wheels on it, and we know it's not gonna be stuck into the asphalt or concrete when I try to use it again. So now we're gonna go ahead and start putting this back together. You gotta use two hands for this, which is fun. So the way these are set up, it uses an odd style bearing system, right? The bearings, you know, it has your ball bearings. They don't have a real race like you're used to. So it's two pieces. You got this piece that holds the top, and then the ball bearing sitting right in here, and that little carrier. So that's gonna be fun because we have no ball bearings. Fun. But we're gonna make it do what it do. The other one didn't have any ball bearings in it, but that's gonna be a future upgrade for a later video. But for now, we're gonna put everything together and continue with this job. But I do have a few ball bearings over here. I'm gonna put those in here and let you see how that works. In all honesty, I don't think none of these things were greased at one point. Because look how bad they are. They're just dry. Yeah, it's all messed up. And just put it together like a sandwich. Then we do the reinstall. Cut you back on. So right now we got everything held back into place. I don't know what you really see. Tighten it back up. But you can't put it too tight because if you do, it won't spin, just like this. So you have to back off a little bit. That way it'll be able to spin. All right. So we have the happy spot to where it turns and it's happy. Now we gotta finish up the other side, and then that's pretty much it. So if you like little jobs like this, something that you could do, like, share, subscribe, comment, and if it's broke, I can fix it. Peace.